Hello, my name is Santiago Reyes, and we're gonna be talking about the positives and negatives about ChatGTP. Well, firstly, I think that ChatGTP is very good because it's a place where you can get information from. It provides accurate and relevant information on whatever topic you want to talk about. And secondly, I think it's good because it can process natural language input. This means that it it makes the users us very easy to talk to ChatGTP, and it understands the way we talk, and it gives us the best answer possible. This is because us the users, when we use it more, ChatGTP becomes better, like understanding how we think, and it gains more information every time we use it. Another positive thing I see in ChatGTP is the availability of ChatGTP. You can use ChatGTP 24/7, and it's a great place where you can get sources from and information. And the last thing, one of the last things that I think is very positive for ChatGTP is that you can customize it like to specific needs, like your language, your tone, your style. You can make paragraphs, you can make data, you can make graphs. It's very different, and this makes it for the user like very adaptable. And of course, another very positive thing is that ChatGTP is very private and has a lot of securities. And as I said, another positive thing is that ChatGPT, by the time the user is using it, it learns more. Like every time someone uses ChatGPT gains more information, and it helps ChatGPT get more accurate. And that's it for the positive things for me.
Hello, my name is Hernan Garza. I would first like to respectfully disagree with the opposing argument, as even if ChatGPT has or will help our society in various manners, the negative aspects which surround its usage in gathering information and overall use are important to analyze. First of all, ChatGPT can answer questions from various gathered sources, but this, in turn, limits the creativity of the users of this application. Although it does decrease the time it would have taken you to search for the information, this does not help in the learning process of fact checking information, and only trusting the information from ChatGPT will not help you out. But this does not end there, as ChatGPT can also write for us, which in turn begs an even greater question: is this work really ours? Now, ChatGPT not only limits the user's creativity, but it also has a bias, as the bot has been trained to gather information utilizing various training models of data input from its creators. Such bias can, in some cases, limit the truth or information one can get from the AI. Even the creators of ChatGPT, OpenAI, have stated that ChatGPT can produce harmful and biased answers. OpenAI has tried to utilize user feedback to limit such bias, but it still lacks the ability to produce convincing or truthful text. Even when the facts stated by ChatGPT aren't true, they still can be utilized and spread misinformation. With such misinformation and the training utilized by ChatGPT being in their data training, it does not help that ChatGPT is unable to provide basic math answers. Even when right, various repetitions from the user can train the AI to think the wrong answer is right. As ChatGPT constructs a sentence word by word, selecting what it thinks to be most likely to come next from its training. It arrives at an answer by making a series of guesses, which are part of why it can argue wrong answers as if they were completely true, or be debated into thinking the wrong answer is right. Finally, ChatGPT has been hacked before, which proves that its security has failed, leading to a flood of various other biases being created in this application. This leads to a further debate as to whether which bias is the truest one, which gives us the most amount of accurate information.
I have to disagree with my partner because I think that ChatGPT has many advantages and it is possible to have a better performance overall in what we do. The more people seem to play around with this new technology, the quicker we realize how this could change everything. Here we have some examples of how ChatGPT could streamline roles and fundamentally change how people create value. For example, with customer support, AI-driven chatbots can provide 24/7 customer support, helping to answer customers' queries quickly and effectively. In sales and marketing, chatbots can help to generate leads, qualify prospects, and close deals by guiding customers through the purchase process. In education, chatbots can be used to teach and answer students' questions in an interactive and engaging way. Also in healthcare, all AI-driven chatbots can provide personalized medical advice and help to diagnose health issues. In recruitment, chatbots can help to automate the recruitment process, saving time and resources, which is very valuable. For traveling, AI-driven chatbots can help travelers to book flights, hotels, and more in a few clicks. Also in entertainment, chatbots can provide personalized recommendations for movies, music, and more. Overall, it can also write full scripts for movies or shows and write lyrics for songs. This can also be very helpful for legal advice, for example, because lawyers can use Chat GPT to provide legal advice to their clients quickly and efficiently and easily search for relevant legal information and case law. This could also be used for business intelligence, for example, because AI-driven chatbots can provide real-time insights into customers' behavior, market trends, and more. So now, taking this into consideration, the use of ChatGPT is very useful, and it can really help us to have a better performance. And the world will continue to change, but we don't have to take this as a negative impact. Just accept it and try to use it as wise as possible, because ChatGPT technology is not likely to replace people's jobs. While it is a powerful tool for automating conversations, it is still a long way from being able to replace the creative and interpersonal skills of human beings. And GPT technology is best used to augment tasks, not replace them. If embraced and used correctly, it can free up more time for people to focus on higher value tasks that require more creativity and problem solving.